What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And these didn't sell out. They kind of flopped. But to me, they still fire. So I had to double up and come back and give y'all guys a hotter style. Hit the B-roll because these are fire. Yes, sir. So if you watch the channel, you know that I doubled up on these, man. I knew they weren't going to sell out because women exclusive sneakers just don't do well. But they're bred. You know how I love my breads, especially Jordan 1s. It was a no-brainer that I was copping. Let's start with this Kith for Aaliyah tee. And the reason why I'm starting with this tee, because again, it is a woman exclusive. And who better than Aaliyah, man? Life took him too short, man, too soon. But this Kith collab with Aaliyah, super dope and a super nice match to those Jordan 1 Satins. So on the front, you got the Kith logo with Aaliyah's signature in there. Very dope. On the back, you got an old picture of Aaliyah, but it's in that red photography, guys. You also got a Kith box logo there, too. Very dope. This did sell out, not right away, but I did see it on StockX and GOAT for not too off the retail. So if you want to go get this, you can go get it. Just type in Kith for Aaliyah, or what was the other name? Hit me in the comment section below if you can't find it. We'll get it. When we talking red and black, CDG Play, Como de Garçon is always going to be my run-to. That big red heart's always going to put a bread together perfect, especially if it's on a black tee. But in this one, you got the big heart and you got the small heart on a nice material black tee. CDG material is underrated, man. And good price, man. Under $100, you can grab this, and it's a perfect match to them breads. I tell y'all all the time, if we go and talk about a Jordan sneaker, especially a Bred or a Chicago, you just got to go with the Bulls gear. The shorts, the jerseys, but I done showed y'all this a whole bunch of times with Bred, so let's go with the Michelin Ness Rodman tee. And I went with Rodman because he's iconic off and on the court. Plus, this tee is just hard, and it's Michelin Ness, so you know what kind of material you're getting. I think I paid like $32 for this guy's on PacSun's website. Hardwood Classic, Michelin Ness, you see all that there. But Rodman has his own design now, his own clothes where he got a whole bunch of dope stuff. But whenever you're trying to put a bread together, Chicago Bulls Rodman shirts go hard just because of who he is. But this one actually matches really, really dope. And if we're talking about Chicago, I got to go with the Virgil MCA gear, man. It only dropped in Chicago. You can't get it off StockX for, believe it or not, not that much. And the reason why it wasn't that, this was before he died. R.I.P. Virgil. The reason why it wasn't that much at first is because it's a Champion collab with the Off-White. So people weren't really hip to it. Plus, like I told you, it only came out in Chicago. So on the back, you got the huge eye blow tag, man. Super dope. The MCA Chicago sticks. Very big, very busy back there. And the front just reads MCA, Virgil Abloh, Figures of Speech, Chicago, Illinois, 2019. But perfect match for them Satins, man. And go to StockX. Trust me, you'll be shocked at the price. And I don't know, man. When I think of Satin, I just think of Marvin Gaye voice, man. That's what made me pick out this Supreme tee here. But to be honest, you guys watch the channel, y'all know I got a lot of red and black and white Supreme tees. The Marvin Gaye one just just the satin put me in this perspective here with Marvin Gaye. Hats. Yes, sir. So anything Chicago Bulls, guys, whether it's going to be the red on the black or the black on the red, anything Chicago Bulls. But I like this classic one right here because it got the NBA Finals patch. So I really like this one. But this one I really, really like. The back-to-back on top of the satins because it's more black in that satin than red. So I really, really like this one. I also like this New Jersey Devils hat, man. Self-explanatory. Same colors, different team. I like this hat I got on too, but it's not too much black in it. Shout out the Hat Club. But this one here is a go. The Supreme Box logo hat. Black strap to match the satin. I like this one. Yes, sir, man. So this was a quick hottest style on the Jordan 1 Satin Breds. I'm still shocked they didn't sell like it was bad, guys. Like you was able to use a discount code on release date. But I'm telling you, this is a good sneaker, man. I like it. I mean, it was the same thing with the Jordan 1 Reimagined also. I got that video coming for y'all soon. I don't know, Jordan 1s. I don't know, man. But hit me in the comment section below if you need help finding anything you've seen in this video. Pricing, sizing, anything, guys. I'm here to help. We could have went for days with red and black. I just picked out some of the pieces I really thought popped with the sneaker. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.